Hi, I'm Melissa Gadd. I'm head of partnerships for Tonies. We're here showing the Tony Box at CES. The Tony Box is a screen-free audio player for kids that plays stories and songs from their favorite characters as well as new favorites. It is meant to foster independent play, so a child as young as 2 or 3 can operate this independently. I personally have a 3-year-old. She's been using this independently since about 18 months. So the box is called the Tony Box, and the figurines that unlock your content experience are called Tonies. And I'm just going to pop a Tony on the Tony Box. And all the functions are meant to be intuitive to a very young child. So we can't hear it at the loud show, but right now it's playing You've Got a Friend in Me from Toy Story. Functions are very basic, so big ears, volume up, small ears, volume down. To switch songs, smack it, which a toddler loves to do this. Back and forth, switch tracks. We have a bunch of licensing partners, such as Disney. On one of these typical Tonies from Disney, we have about 4 or 5 songs from the movie and then an abridged version of the story. These usually run about half an hour. We have Tonies that run up to 2 hours of content. We have junior novels for older children. We have nonfiction Tonies from National Geographic that we just launched that teach about marine life and teach about astronauts and space. So we're really expanding the range of content. There's our new National Geographic Tony that just launched. So those are really aging up the content. And for younger children, we have bedtime songs, nursery rhymes. We even have white noise and nature sounds for the nursery. So you can use this as a sound soother when the baby is born and then they graduate into the independent play. We're originally from Germany, about 5.5, 6 years old, and we've been in the US for about 15 months and really getting a lot of positive feedback from families. We're available on our direct-to-consumer site, Tonies.com, Amazon, Best Buy, Target, about 500 specialty toy and baby retailers across the US.